just come to know that we've got 2 days of police custody. We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky, and Akash, to judicial custody. And as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we have taken 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out because we will still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody. The next production will be on Saturday.